Most of us want to interact with nature, even when life indoors and in our heads doesn't make that easy. Most of us sense that being in touch with nature helps us feel more human and more connected to the world around us. It can be a pathway to feel grateful to the Creator God and enjoy the majesty of what God has made. When we take the time to notice our outdoor environment, it comes alive to us. The sky expands before us, the trees dance in the wind, the colors and sounds are a treat to our senses. With our attention fixed, away from ourselves and the problems of the man-made world, and whatever struggles we are in the midst of, we can find something precious, something our own. We can notice the details and design. We can marvel at the intricacy and harmony. Once we feel more engaged with our surroundings, we can feel more alive. But getting outside is the first hurdle. Once we make the time and give the attention, we can tap into awe, and we can fortify our worship of our Creator, the good God who has made us. And in all that, let us not forget that we are not merely in touch with nature, but we are nature itself. We are the stuff of earth. We are organic creatures who are imbued with the spark of the divine. The signature of God is with us and among us. We are how the cosmos is aware of itself. And we are, as the rest of nature and all humankind, the glory of God made flesh, to enjoy the whole of creation. Let us breathe in deeply now these great wonders. Let us express not just our thanks, but our commitment to being in harmony with nature and with each other.